Hey, if you've ever wished your car had sharper visibility, better night driving confidence, or rock-solid protection on the road, you're about to love this. Today, you're checking out the best mirror dash cams available on Amazon right now. And trust me, these picks can completely upgrade the way you drive. First up, we've got the WOLFBOX 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam, model G840S. And wow, this thing is seriously impressive. Check this out. You get a massive 12-inch anti-glare touchscreen that basically transforms your rearview mirror into a high-tech command center. We're talking true 4K front and 1080p rear, so every single detail, license plates, road signs, even fine print, comes through incredibly sharp. But here's where it gets even better. This bad boy comes with GPS tracking, parking mode surveillance, and a Sony-type night sensor that makes nighttime footage look absolutely amazing. Whether it's broad daylight or pitch black, you're covered. Why does this matter? Because when it comes to insurance claims or just everyday peace of mind, having that GPS-tagged, ultra-clear footage is like having a reliable witness in your car 24/7. This is serious protection, folks. Next, let's talk about the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K mirror dashcam, your car's new smart upgrade. This beauty rocks 4K front and 1080p rear recording on a gorgeous 12-inch touchscreen. But what really sets this apart? The ADAS and BSD driver assist alerts. That means you're getting lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts to help keep you safe on the road. Oh, and get this, voice control. Yep, you can operate this hands-free. Plus, it comes with GPS tracking, incredible night vision, and many Amazon listings even throw in a 32GB card right out of the gate. This is perfect for anyone jumping into the dashcam world for the first time. Everything's included, setup is super straightforward, and those safety alerts, they're like having a co-pilot watching your back. You get high-detailed video and smart features that actually make you a safer driver. How cool is that? Now, if you want to take things up another notch, check out the Pelsee P12 Plus rear view mirror camera. This one's loaded, 4K front, 1080p rear, and a stunning 12-inch IPS touchscreen. But here's the kicker. It's got the full safety suite with ADAS, BSD, and LCA alerts. That's lane change assist added to the mix. Built-in GPS? Check. Wi-Fi app control? Oh yeah. Enhanced low-light performance with WDR and a fast aperture? You bet. And it comes with a generous 64GB micro SD card included. Why is this so awesome? Because that Wi-Fi connectivity means you can download and share footage directly to your phone without any cables or hassle. Had a close call? Pull up the clip instantly and send it off. The bigger memory card means you can record longer without worrying about space. And that enhanced night clarity is perfect for late-night drives or early morning commutes. This is convenience and safety rolled into one slick package. All right, night owls and frequent travelers, this one's for you. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro 4K mirror dashcam. Listen to these specs. 4K front and 2.5K rear recording powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. This isn't just another camera. It's got upgraded HDR and WDR with a wide dynamic range that handles everything from dark tunnels to blinding headlights like a champ. And here's something really cool. It can double as a backup camera with the right wiring setup. So why choose this one? If you drive a lot at night or deal with tricky lighting conditions, going from bright sun into dark parking garages, this sensor holds on to detail like nothing else. No more washed-out footage or shadowy messes. That higher resolution rear feed makes backing up safer and reviewing any rear incidents way more reliable. This is premium protection for serious drivers. Last but definitely not the least, we've got an awesome budget-friendly option, the Jansite 10-inch mirror dashcam with dual 1080p recording. You get a 10-inch streaming mirror display, solid 1080p front and rear cameras, and check this out. The rear camera is IP68 waterproof. It's built to handle rain, snow, whatever Mother Nature throws at it. Plus, it comes with a long cable that's perfect for SUVs and bigger vehicles, and the full touch interface makes it super easy to use. Here's the deal. If you don't absolutely need 4K resolution, this is a fantastic value. You still get that wider digital rear view that beats your stock mirror any day. Installation is straightforward even on longer vehicles, and that weatherproof rear camera captures all the important details for everyday driving. This proves you don't have to break the bank to get serious dashcam protection. So there you have it, 5 incredible mirror dashcams that will completely transform how you drive and protect yourself on the road. Don't forget, all those Amazon links are waiting for you in the description below. Check them out now.